I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to create a page. So add new. I'm going to title this Buying in Arizona. Any SEO data that you guys would like to have, you can then enter it in here. I'm going to set the status as published. If I wanted this to show on my agent website, all I would have to do is click agent website, and this would be accessible from my homepage on my agent website. I can update the date created to be whatever I would like, but more recent content is going to be more favored by Google and SEO providers. Then I'm going to be able to do a slug. So I can do, usually you want to do something pretty short. So buying in Arizona. So what this would be is zachherberrealty.com/buying-in-Arizona. Category, I can basically categorize this as buyers or sellers, so I can have different categories in my blog section. Sort order is how I want this to show up. So if I want this to be the first one to show, I'm going to put sort order number 1, and then I'm just going to save the changes. And when I save the changes, you'll see that now there's a square here published for buying in Arizona. When you publish it, you'll have the option to share this post to Facebook, view the page, update page settings, update the thumbnail image, which is this. This is also the image that's going to show when you text this blog to people. This is also the image that's going to show when you post it on social media. But what we're going to do is we're going to go into live edit mode, and you'll see that there's not a whole lot here yet. We haven't built out the blog yet. So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to build out a really cool looking blog. So to add a section, all you have to do is click here. And I'm going to add a few sections. I like to build out a few before I get started because I know I'm going to want quite a few sections. And if I come back up to the top, I can then start editing things. So if I have any text I would like to put in, all I have to do is then just click on the text, paste in what I want it to show, and you'll see that my text is now updated. And let's say I wanted to do a title here, and I wanted to name it like Steps to Buying in Arizona. And my next section, I just wanted to have some basic text. And what I'm doing to update each one of these is I'm literally just clicking on the settings and picking out a new descriptor of what I want to show. So now I'm ready for some more text here. So I saved that. And I can actually come in, start updating text in here from a blog that I can either write right here on the spot, or I can have it copy and pasted from somewhere else. So if I wanted to continue to build this out, I can continue to change these options here. If I wanted a image on the right, for example, I update that. So now the image is on the other side. Maybe I want to make the title save for a down payment. And then I had some information about saving for a down payment. You can see how easy this starts to be to update. And let's say I have an image that I might want to update this image to. If I'm going to screenshot one real quick for you guys to see. But if I just click on this image here, and I drag any image in here, then you can see that our cropping tool is actually going to help you, and then it's actually going to resize this. So this isn't the best image to use for this, but I just wanted to do it for example purposes to show you. You just drag and drop an image into the box, it helps you crop it, and you can continue to customize things. So if I have an image that I wanted centered, just update that. I don't really like that, so maybe I want to do a video gallery. I have some videos that I'm going to display. You can actually set those videos up in our video builder, but since this is in my last section, I'm actually going to pick out contact form 1. So I want all of my blogs to actually bring people to my site, and then I want it to help me convert them into a lead. So you can continue adding as many sections as you want. You can also change this header to attract leads as well by just clicking the settings icon, and then you can pick out whatever you want it to show. So if I did home offer lander version 3, you'll see that there's now a form here, and you can see that now this is not only bringing traffic to my site, and now I can create email blasts around this page and send it to Facebook, but it's also going to be helping me convert leads in a lot of different ways. So that is the blog builder. Once you guys have your blog set up, it's just as simple as coming to the quick menu, and if it's not showing up on your website yet, just picking the location to show on your agent website. That is going to be all you need to do to get it to show there. Save the changes and you're off to the races.